Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. We're gonna work on a project today. You've seen previous videos. I'm laid up, and today I'm going to fix my daughter's broken hair dryer. And only one of the leads had broke, and I cut the other one. And we'll get into stripping them, soldering them, using some liquid electrical tape, and maybe some regular tape. I don't know if I'll bother with that or not, and putting it back together. Hopefully get them going again. So let's get busy. This is a retractable cord. Release here somewhere. Set that out of my way. I don't know if this will show up very well or not, but these have little ridges on one side and smooth on the other. That's how I'll know smooth and with little ridges into it. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera or not. So let's see. Okay, I made this previous video. I'll link it up above in the card. I'll try to put it in the description as well, where I used this stuff for the first time. And I know that was over a year ago. I can't remember the exact date, but it was over a year ago that I used this liquid electrical tape. And so now I've had it in my basement at my house, which stays anywhere from 68 to about 74 degrees year round. It has been out in the shop here for 2 months since I brought it out here to do this, and then tore my back up. So let's find out if it's still liquid and if it still works. Alrighty. Okay. Now let's see how this works. Oh, I screwed it on pretty tight. Ooh, and it is still liquid. Nice. I bet it's because I sealed it up and then it's been in a good environment. If I left it out in the shop where it gets up 90 something degrees and down below freezing in the winter, it probably would have been a whole different thing. If you ever use this stuff, use it in a ventilated area. My shop's extremely ventilated because I don't have a ceiling up yet. I mean, I got a roof on, but this goes up to the metal roof. Whew, that is some potent stuff. Let's get the bottom of this. Making a mess. Add on a second coat. We'll put on a third and final coat. I opened the door and window in my shop, get a little cross ventilation. This stuff gets you higher than a kite. You definitely don't want to use this inside a house or any place closed up. You'll just flat pass out. This works. Okay, one thing fixed, a million more to go. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.